You all remember this scene from Three Idiots, right? Well, this idiot got to speak on that exact stage, and it was insane.
హాయ్ గైస్ వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు వచ్చేసి మేము వందే భారత్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్
బ్లాగ్ చేస్తుంటే బాలయ్య అంటున్నాడు. కంటిన్యూ.
మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి.
గో.
హాయ్ గైస్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఆల్దో ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ బట్ స్టిల్ మేము ఈరోజు వచ్చినాము వందే భారత్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్కి. లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ వీఆర్ ఈటింగ్ for lunch. This is I don't know curry, rice, dal. ये पप्पू है.
ఏది పప్పు ఏది సాంబార్ అర్థం కాకుండా ఇచ్చాడు. నెక్స్ట్ స్టేషన్ మనం దిగేది అదే. Chat finally made it. The whole gang is walking. After the exhausting travel, we faced some traffic. We went to the wrong hotel and finally found a free... Okay, I should stop talking. Kuch bol? After getting into our room, we rested for a bit and then this happened. अब्रार कंपनी में पैसे नहीं आ रहा, तेरे को वो पॉइंट समझ आ रहा क्या?
हाँ भैया कंपनी में
डूब
पैसा
जाता
नहीं
रे
आ रहा।
कंपनी पूरा.
अरे अगर ये करना खत्म हो जाता.
The presentation was less than 10 hours from now, by the way. After finalizing the idea, we made the PPT, we rehearsed for a bit, and then we decided to call it a day.
नेक्स्ट लेवल खेलते.
चले जाओ.
The next morning, nervous, jittery, all of us woke up and started practicing. ID cards time. Boys are ready. Let's go get this. అయిపోయింది గైస్.
ఏమైపోయింది?
ఫీల్డింగ్ సెట్ రాదు మనకి.
నువ్వు చెప్పు.
बैगन भी रादो किल्ले भी रादो कुछ भी नहीं
నువ్వు
आता.
చెప్పు.
బొచ్చు బీ రాదు.
నువ్వు చెప్పు.
వస్తుంది గైస్.
ఏమొస్తుంది?
Only positive
పువ్వులు
person.
పువ్వులు వస్తాయి.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
हम तो
As you can see, all of us were pretty bummed that it didn't go as planned, but life happens and we just have to adjust.
Bye guys.
We thought since we were not getting in tomorrow anyway, might as well enjoy Bangalore, and that's what we did.
यो गाइस आज पूरे पिल्ले में मिल गए पिल्ले में तो मिल गए प्रेजेंटेशन जैसा जाना था वैसा कितना 75% गया 70% पोल का मानना है कि 70% गया अब 9 बजे रिजल्ट आता है रिजल्ट सबको मालूम क्या है मालूम सबको हाँ सेम गूगल ट्रांसलेट इन वीडियो तो अब खाने को जा रहे किधर जा रहे कचरा पट्टी खाने जा रहे किधर वीवीपुरम और पूरा कॉम्बो हम लोग ट्राई करने जा रहे हैं सबके पैसे उड़ने वाले हैं पूरे सेविंग्स अकाउंट पूरा खाली हो जाता आज
डन सुपर
सेविंग्स पूरा अकाउंट नेगेटिव में है सबके
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could stay.
రోల్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ బాగుంది ఇంకేం బాగుంది దోశ బాగుంది వాఫల్ బాగుంది ఇంకా ఏం తిన్నాం
అదేదో బెంగళూరు సంథింగ్
విచ్ వాస్ నాట్ నైస్ అదేదో మురుకులాగా ఉంది అది బాగాలేదు ఇంకోటి ఏం తిన్నాం
మళ్ళీ వస్తాం
అన్న వెళ్ళిపోయినాక నేనేం చేయాలి గాయస్ బాయ్
If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now.
अभी ये अपन क्या अभी क्या हम लोग डोसा कौन सा फ्लेवर
चिल्ली चीज और शेजवान मसाला
वो ट्राई करे मस्त था पूरा गरम था हाथ में भैया को पकड़ने भैया किधर है भैया को पकड़ने नहीं आ रहा था वो डोसा इतना गरम था इधर इतने सारे चीज़ें हैं ये वॉफल्स है और फायर पान है चॉकलेट पान है इधर बादाम मिल्क क्या बोलते हो एक रोटी में डुबा के खा रहे वेरी वियर्ड बट हाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं
Your destination is on the right.
और स्प्रिंग पोटैटो बहुत सारे नॉर्मल चटपटी चीज़ें हैं किचन सस्ते में बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के हैं
गर्लफ्रेंड को लेके जाता
नो कमेंट्स
Yes, very mid.
ट्रिपल चॉकलेट
New item acquired.
Myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love.
छोटे बच्चे के बलून को छेड़ते हुए नवीन
छोटे बच्चे
After having a wonderful night, all of us decided to get back to the hotel and booked a cab. And then the results started coming out.
विनिंग और लूजिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉमेडी अरे उसको बोलना पड़ता अरे जल्दी बोलना पड़ता अरे पिल्ले हम आगो 3 दिन से वही मालूम तो लिस्ट भेजना अरे सबके हल्लू रेजबेट का आली अब डालना वो गुस्से वाला इमोजी अरे भेजे विश्वासवानी सुपर
Selected. Super. Represent. 50 Let's go.
As fun as that sounded, this would mean that all of us would have to pull the craziest lock-in we have ever pulled. And that's what we did. We ordered a monster can each and then worked until the work was completed. I could not stop thinking about this scene when I was there, but it was time to lock in. This room had the best of the best, and to have any chance to perform at all, we would have to give our 100%. Also, huge shout out to the MC, the anchor of this event. The event would have been a million times worse off without him. He's the only reason many people did not have a panic attack.
But lovely, I love the energy. Come on. Where's our...
For one position of sanitation worker with a pay of 15,000 rupees.
First issue between the jute industry is worth around 9.
Search engine optimization. Charge the users minimal registration fee of
No comment. पूरा आज और नेगेटिव से भी नेगेटिव जा रहा और छोड़ो लाइफ ही जा रही
Real. And as if our mood was not bad enough, something horrible happened. Guys, story time. We forgot our camera yesterday in the Uber, and we called that guy. He said he had the camera, and he randomly started saying he was near us, and then he said he was in Kempegowda airport, which is very far from us. And when I told him that I will come there in a bike to pick it up, he's like, what is there in it for me? And then I was like, okay, you stay there. I will come pick it up and I will give you 500. Then that guy is like, I'm not doing charity. I will come to your place. You pay me 2,500 rupees. And then I'll do it. And then I was like, I'm a student. I'm here for an event. There's nothing we can do. This guy was still like, I'm not doing charity. This is my work here. So yeah, we'll record his car number and we'll record his face. Let's see what we can do. Uber was of no help here. We tried everything we could do, but nothing could help fast enough because we had to go home this night. And then miraculously, Rishi called the Bangalore police, who were there less than 10 minutes from when we called, and got us our camera back. And coming to this cab driver, he still argued, he still bargained with the cops and made me pay 1,000 rupees for his travel here. But if that's how he decides to live his life, now nobody can do anything about it. But a huge shout out to Bangalore police. If it were not for them, I would not have had my camera.
भाई बन गया हीरो ओ बेंगलोर में एक छापा पड़ गया
And then finally, moment came. It was time to announce the winners of the business pitch competition at IIM Bangalore.
No, I'm literally scared.
And the winner was not us.
अच्छा था इवेंट एंकर तो भैया सबका फेवरेट था एंकर
100% agreed. As we were quietly walking to the railway station from the campus, a sort of feeling started hitting me of how far we had come and of everything we had done. And even if we did not win, all of us made memories that would last us for the rest of our lives. The whole campus is empty. It's just us walking.
and the trees.
Yes, sir. Walking through the streets of IIM Bangalore. This is the prettiest campus I have ever seen in my life. And then, very hungry, all of us started heading toward the railway station to find a good restaurant nearby. How was the trip?
Very nice. Very tired.
पैक्ड है सर।
How was the trip?
I mean, yeah, it's
हाँ
fine.
वो इंग्लिश
How was the trip?
पिल्ले में
Sir, how was the trip?
Great.